Hello, in this lesson, I want you to graph polynomial functions. Some vocabulary we're going to come across are polynomial functions. Polynomial functions of degree n, leading coefficient, leading term test, quartic function, turning point, quadratic form, repeated zero, and multiplicity. So each one of those is going to show up as we go through. Now, a polynomial function is just anything of just like a monomial function, except our degree is going to be a positive integer, so that's going to make it a little bit nicer to work with. And if we don't have a degree of 0, we say it's undefined. It's a constant function. Here are some examples of polynomial functions. Here's our constant function of degree 0, so it's a horizontal line. Our linear function, our quadratic function, which is a parabola. Here's our cubic function with an odd function, and here's a quartic function. Notice it kind of looks the same, but it's got a couple more curves in there. Now, if I take a look at, I'm supposed to graph x minus 3 to the 5th power. Well, if I just look, that is an odd function. So I know what an odd function looks like. And notice there's a horizontal translation of 3 to the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3. And then I know my graph looks like an odd function. And there we have it. If I take a look at example 2, notice it's not in the parentheses, so that's going to be a vertical shift, down 1. So my graph is going to go down 1. I know it's an even function, so I'm going to go down 1, and x to the 6, it's going to look like that, because it's an even function.